Hey, today we're at Marché de Noël in the shadow of the Notre Dame, which is right across the Seine right there. This is one of the favorite Christmas markets in Paris. It's a smaller one as well. It's only up for a couple of weeks a year. It just opened a few days ago, and lots of artisan shops around, some really good food stalls, roasted chestnuts, vin chaud. Can't wait to go check it out. Oh, special treat, we have organ grinder singing, so on y va, let's go.
Allons-y, mesdames, messieurs. Oui. Marron chaud, marron chaud. Allons-y, messieurs, dames. C'est bon, non.
Je vais 7 et j'arrive dans le bar en face.
Ouais. Franchement, pas bien.